Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Missy B London. Welcome. This is my first tutorial for 2020. Can you believe that? This is the end result, and let's see how I created this look with natural hair clippings from To All My Black Girls. The texture of the hair is KINKY coarse and it's 18 inches. And I used 2 clip-ins to be precise in this tutorial. Yeah, to be honest, I did the front cornrow off camera because I was being a bit spontaneous. I had another hairstyle I wanted to do, but it wasn't working out right, but I thought, let me create this on camera. So as you can see, I left out some of the hair around after the braids, shall I say, along the braid line and the back as well. And I am now attaching 2 clip-ins to my hair, or to my head, shall I say. And I'm just going to unravel my hair to disguise the clip-ins hair, and then I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. Like I said, this is a quick hairstyle. This took me less than 10 minutes. I should have counted the time, but I sped the video up and I think it was less than 10 minutes anyway, excluding the time you got to do to cornrow the front bit of your head, but it's a quick thing anyway. And I got my spiral hairband as usual, because you know I like to use my spiral headband. Gives my hair volume and doesn't cause too much tension on my hair as well, so that's what I like to use, spiral headbands. And if you're new, this is what I like to use as well. If you are a returning watcher, subscriber, you know me and spiral headbands. I got it from Primark, or did I get it from Flying Tiger? One of the two, but you can get it from Primark, Flying Tiger, accessory stores, eBay, Amazon. But yeah, I just thought it was too loose, so I had to wrap it around twice to get the desired look for the ponytail. Like I said, quick and simple, there you go. Don't forget, the clippings that I used are from To All My Black Girls, KINKY coarse texture, 18 inches. I've got many tutorial videos, so check out my playlist or check out my old videos to see other hairstyles I created with these clippings. I like this one. I'm laughing because I'm proud, even though I wanted to create another hairstyle. It didn't work to plan. But luckily my brain was working that I could think, oh, let me try this one out. Let me do this. Let me see how this one comes out. And thank goodness it came out good, literally. Got my brushing my edges. I use edge control as well, and it came out good this time. I should have recorded that, but sometimes I don't record everything that I do because, yeah, that's what happens sometimes, legit. But yeah. And now I'm going to add accessories in my hair, which I don't usually do, but I'm realizing now I need to add accessories in my hair to give my hair a little bling bling, to give my hair a little shine shine. I don't know why I'm doing that, but yeah. Got these 2 hairpins from Primark, and the other one you're gonna see me put in any second now. I should have used 2 and did a little cross design kind of thing, but I wasn't thinking. My brain's a bit slow. I'll just do basic things right now. This one is from To All My Black Girls. You can get it from their website. They've got many names: Bossy, Flossy, To All My Black Girls, many slogans. Go on the website, you can see a name that you like, you know, do what you gotta do. But yeah, this is the end hairstyle, as you can see. Pretty quick, simple, ain't it? Yeah, shaking my head. Look, it's secure. Yes, it is secure. Thank you for watching anyway. Make sure you come back to watch another video from me, and goodbye.